Hello. Welcome to Marquez 86 channel. This video content is about GPX Big Scooter 300cc prepares to use a sharp design like a drone model to be launched at the end of this year.
Hello guys, it's me here, Marquez 86 channel. In this video we are going to talk about all new 2022 all new GPX Big Scooter 300cc prepares to use a sharp design like a drone. From the news that has come out continuously in the past about the development of a new big scooter motorcycle from the Thai brand GPX in the class of about 300cc has created a lot of interest in the bikers in our country. Because the Camp GPX itself has been very successful with the drone model that was launched earlier. In which this time we will analyze the design guidelines of the new GPX Big Scooter 300cc, how it will be. If looking at the general overview, it is believed that the Camp will continue to carry on the design approach that comes from the drone model, which will be a big scooter in a sporty style, focusing on the lines that are sharp, fierce, look modern, which has proven that the target audience is very fond of. Therefore, it is unlikely to change the approach to design in any way. So we should probably see the shape of the headlights of the GPX Big Scooter 300, two types, separated from the left and right, LED with a square cover. The seat is a single step, elevated. But what many people are interested in is this time, the oil cap will remain under the seat like the drone model, or will be relocated to the neck of the car, to increase the storage space under the seat to be as spacious as a big scooter should be. This will have to wait to follow. Of course, the power of the engine. It will continue to be a collaboration with the SIM brand, which gives us full confidence in the performance of the engine. But features how much will be installed. No information at this time, however. It is believed that the ABS braking system should have appeared. Adjustable front shield should not be missed, but traction control may have to win again. There is a chance that we will see an official launch in late 2021.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share this video with yours friends. Thank you for watching on Marquez 86 channel. More video coming soon.